fun season. It's our first season competing. We got along like family most of the time. We had our arguments, but I think we did pretty well.
We definitely enjoyed coming back to competitions after the COVID season. So getting back in person and competing against other very good teams.
It was a lot more than I expected. I thought we were just gonna hop into this like little thing, but like it's so much more than that. And it was a great experience with the 7 that we have.
So we compete in FRC, and that's like on ground stuff, and just like being able to experience a new challenge where we're in the sky and not on the ground is just really cool. Something new. So it's nice to experience that.
All of them, except for me and Caleb, they're all seniors, and so they got to experience this for the last year in high school.
Yep.
So
I think they appreciate us putting in hard work for them. I'm a freshman, so I have 3 more years left. So I think I would come back.
You know what? It's been a really great season for us. You know, obviously with everything going on in schools the past few years, the kids really haven't gotten a chance to be able to do extracurricular activities, be able to show their skills and their talents. And this competition just really gave us a reason to get together, to learn new things, to design, and get to compete with other schools from around the country. And we did really well at our first competition. We were super pumped to make it to the championship today, and then our first run, you know, everything that could go wrong basically did go wrong, and so we had to regroup, take a deep breath, and then I'm so proud of the kids because they came out in that last match and got the maximum score that we possibly could to be able to take home the win. So just the tenacity and the hard work, and you know, they always do it with smiles on their faces, and I'm just really proud of them. This competition is a great way for kids to get experience with drones, with technical design skills, with engineering and teamwork. And so just being a part of this competition is just so exciting. You have 7 kids on the field that get to drive robots, get them excited to perhaps go into a career in engineering or STEM or drone flying or whatever they want. And so I just think this program is a great way to introduce kids to new skills that they wouldn't get anywhere else. We are definitely coming back next year, and I already am, you know, talking to Bell, asking them if they have internship opportunities for our students. And so yeah, we'll definitely be back. We had a great time.